Hi, welcome to my capstone midterm presentation. This is Ying, and my project is about lost memory in the digital space. My conceptual research question is, how does digital storage change the way we remember? This is a really broad question, so I've decided to focus on the two main aspects. The first one is permanence. Technologies like iCloud and Google Drive is promising us permanence, that our data and memory is going to be secure on the cloud for a long time. But this is actually a very problematic assumption on a closer look. The second one is immateriality. And I think this really affects our perception of our memory, because now that we don't have a limit, we are so used to storing everything. It's really hard to keep count of how much information that we've stored. This leads to my practice-based research question, which is, how can we reactivate and reclaim the lost memory from the massive digital space? And right now, for techniques, I'm leaning more towards the physical side, which is installations, prints, maybe VR as a way of reconstructing virtual space. I find it really interesting because I wanted to take what was digital, for example, photos, videos, or text, and makes it something that's actually physical and something that we can experience and relive again. One book that really informed my research is Program Visions, Software and Memory by Wendy Chun. And in this book, she really gets into how the computer is processing our memory and how it stored our information. And my biggest takeaway is that although it seems like it's permanent, technology is actually marching towards obsolescence. The second book is Memory Practices in the Sciences. And this book is more about the human side, about how we remember things. And one interesting argument is that the development of digital devices actually drives the need of memory. And now, one effect is that it is substituting generalized patterns for particular memories due to the large scale of memory that we stored. In terms of art projects, one project that I found really interesting is Dream English Kid by a British artist, Mark Leckey. This is a collage video where Leckey made from found memories, which are sources such as old advertisement, TV programs, and music. I think it's really inspiring because it really shows us how memory can be reconstructed using information, like online information from the digital space. And it also have this sense of shared memories when you reconstruct memory from a public source of information. It can also create this sense of connection. The second art project is I'm That Angel. This is a book that's made to be performed in data centers. And I find the artist's choice of the form and the location of this performance really interesting, because this artist is critiquing the cloud as a technology. So it takes some of the cloud data and put them into the physical form of a book, and then it's being performed within the infrastructure of these cloud data center. So it's really confronting what is material and what is immaterial about the digital information. That's it for my presentation. Thank you so much for watching it, and please let me know if you have any feedback.